Here's what nobody's telling you about the robot revolution. While everyone's panicking about A.M.E.C.A stealing their job, the smartest professionals are already using these same AI systems to become irreplaceable. You've seen the headlines: humanoid robots that can change their entire personality in seconds, factory bots that never sleep, never charge, and coordinate like a digital hive mind, welding robots taking over the most dangerous jobs in shipyards, and your immediate thought: great, another industry about to get automated. But here's where it gets interesting. While everyone else is asking, will robots replace me? The wrong question entirely. There's a small group of forward-thinking professionals who cracked the code. They figured out how to turn AI from a threat into their ultimate career accelerator. I'm about to share their secret weapon, a counterintuitive approach that transforms you from an information consumer into an information architect. It's not about competing with AI, it's about orchestrating it. And by the end of this video, you'll have a practical framework that makes you more valuable than ever, regardless of how advanced these robots become. But first, let's destroy the biggest myth that's keeping most people stuck in fear mode. The myth: AI makes everything easier, so my expertise becomes worthless. This is backwards thinking, and it's exactly why most people will get left behind. Look, when A.M.E.C.A can instantly become a French-speaking paint expert or a customer service agent, the natural reaction is panic. When China's Walker S2 can work 24/7 without human intervention, managing entire factory floors through cloud coordination, it feels like game over for human workers. But here's what's actually happening. AI isn't making human skills obsolete, it's creating a massive gap between two types of professionals: the consumers and the architects. The consumers? They're the ones who think AI will make their jobs easier by doing the work for them, and they're already falling behind because they're treating AI like a better Google search. They ask ChatGPT to write their emails, generate their presentations, and solve their problems. They're turning themselves into middle managers of robots. The architects, they understand something completely different. They realize that when information becomes infinite, curation becomes priceless. When AI can generate anything, knowing what to generate becomes the skill that matters. Think about it this way: when A.M.E.C.A can be programmed to be any type of expert in seconds, who becomes valuable? The person who knows which expert to create for which situation. The person who understands how to chain different AI personalities together to solve complex problems. The person who can architect solutions that no single AI, no matter how advanced, could design alone. Here's a scenario that's playing out right now in companies everywhere. Two marketing professionals get the same brief: launch a product in 3 different international markets. Professional A, the consumer, prompts AI to create marketing campaigns for each market, uses the output, calls it done, decent work, but completely replaceable. Professional B, the architect, does something radically different. They use AI to research cultural nuances, then create 3 different AI personas, one local expert for each market. They have these AI personas debate the campaign strategy, identify conflicts, then synthesize a unified approach that addresses cultural sensitivities while maintaining brand consistency. The result: a campaign that no single AI could have created, requiring human orchestration at every level. Guess which professional is getting promoted? The secret isn't about being smarter than AI, it's about being better at conducting the AI orchestra. And with robots like A.M.E.C.A getting more sophisticated every day, this skill gap is about to become a career chasm. Most people are asking, how do I stay relevant when robots can do my job? Wrong question. The right question is, how do I become the person who decides what jobs the robots should do? Here's the secret the top 1% of professionals already know: the A.M.E.C.A Framework. Architect, multiple, expertise, chain, amplify. This isn't about using AI tools. This is about becoming an AI conductor. Architect the problem. Instead of asking AI to solve your problem, architect the problem into multiple specialized challenges, break down complex issues into discrete expertise areas that different AI personalities can tackle. Multiple personas, create multiple AI experts for each challenge. Don't just use one AI to write your strategy. Create a conservative AI advisor, a disruptive AI innovator, and a practical AI implementer. Let them debate. Expertise, chaining, connect different AI expertises in sequence. Use one AI to research, another to analyze, a third to synthesize, and a fourth to present. Each AI builds on the previous one's output, creating exponential value. Creative conflict. Deliberately create tension between your AI personas, make them argue, disagree, and challenge each other's assumptions. The gold is in the synthesis of conflicting expert viewpoints. amplify human judgment. Your role isn't to generate, it's to curate, direct, and make the final calls. You're the director, not the actor. Here's how this works practically. When Engineered Arts releases their new ROS system that can turn AMECA into any expert instantly, most people see a threat. You see an opportunity to have a boardroom full of world-class experts at your disposal. Need to solve a supply chain crisis? Create an AI logistics expert, an AI economist, an AI risk analyst, and an AI operations specialist. Have them analyze the problem from their perspectives, then debate solutions. Your job? Orchestrate the debate and synthesize the insights into actionable strategy. The key insight: AI makes expertise abundant. Human judgment in orchestrating that expertise becomes scarce and valuable. Let me show you exactly how this plays out across different scenarios, because this framework works whether you're in marketing, finance, consulting, or any knowledge work. Scenario 1. Investment analysis. Traditional approach: use AI to analyze a stock and get recommendations. A.M.E.C.A Framework approach: create an AI bull analyst, an AI bear analyst, and an AI risk management expert. Have them analyze the same investment opportunity. The bull case pushes for growth potential, the bear case highlights risks, and the risk expert identifies mitigation strategies. You synthesize all three perspectives into a nuanced investment thesis that accounts for multiple scenarios. Result: instead of a generic AI recommendation, you have a robust analysis that considered multiple expert viewpoints, something no single AI prompt could deliver. Scenario 2. Career negotiation. Traditional approach: ask AI how to negotiate your salary. A.M.E.C.A Framework approach: create an AI HR expert to understand company perspective, an AI negotiation coach for tactics, and an AI market analyst for benchmarking data. Have them collaborate on your specific situation, then argue about the best approach. You orchestrate the discussion and craft a negotiation strategy. Result: a multi-dimensional negotiation plan that considers psychology, market data, and tactical execution simultaneously. Scenario 3. Daily workflow optimization. Traditional approach: use AI to organize your calendar. A.M.E.C.A Framework approach: create an AI productivity expert, an AI time management specialist, and an AI energy optimization coach. Have them analyze your current workflow and debate the best optimization strategies. You implement the synthesized approach. Result: a personalized productivity system that balances efficiency, energy management, and long-term sustainability. The common mistake people make: they try to use this framework to replace their thinking. Wrong. You're not delegating judgment, you're amplifying it. Another mistake: creating AI personas that all agree with each other. The power is in the conflict and synthesis. If your AI experts aren't disagreeing, you're not pushing hard enough. Here's what happens when you implement this consistently. You become the person everyone comes to for complex problems. While others are stuck with single perspective AI outputs, you're delivering multi-dimensional solutions that account for nuances and competing priorities. Companies are already recognizing this value. They're promoting the professionals who can orchestrate AI teams over those who just use AI tools. The salary gap is widening fast. And here's the beautiful part: as AI gets more sophisticated, like A.M.E.C.A's new personality switching capabilities, your orchestration skills become more valuable, not less. More AI expertise means more complex symphonies you can conduct. The robots aren't coming for your job, they're coming to work for you if you know how to be their conductor. Here's your homework. Pick one complex problem you're facing right now: a project, a decision, a challenge. Apply the A.M.E.C.A Framework this week. Create 3 different AI experts with conflicting perspectives on your problem. Make them debate, synthesize their insights, document what you discover. I guarantee you'll solve that problem in a way you never would have alone, and you'll start seeing opportunities instead of threats in every AI advancement. Hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the specific prompting techniques that make AI personas actually debate instead of just agreeing with each other. Plus, I'll show you the exact templates I use to create expert AI teams for different industries. The robot revolution is happening. The question isn't whether you'll adapt, it's whether you'll lead it or get left behind. Your move. Don't forget to comment down below letting us know something that you've learned today, and consider subscribing and checking out more videos down below.